Asem yidika.
Inna beka.
Akwasi insia.
Commander 6.
I don't know any idea. Yes, a time na ebe on bibi. Kwa for fili, am for yada, am for check it. Breno helmo. But so that we have catch us over to me join live on Facebook. So search for Adom TV Extra. And I say Adom TV. YouTube is here Adom TV. But shedding in our live honum. Sada pe amano ka say about 9:44 was South Africa. Uko do all the more. Especially Joburg. Omo bia tumina. Omo hesa. So very good morning call Farmer Frank Kojobosu. NPP South Africa Northwest Chairman. Mo bia tumisa na. Boy omo hesa na Friday. We also take South Africa Joburg Friday bia no him say ya na ebuda ho. So enti a man like Ernest AK Akufo-Addo on a communications officer at the NPPO, the whole of South Africa. Good morning, so El confirm mo samajebre. Na da bia mo tai Adom TV echi. Yeah, damase. Samojebre na da bia mo hweye. Then also Mavis. Leader the Emma Ghana First South Africa. Also very good morning, Enko and Famo. Then Kwabena, the chief sound engineer, the chief technical officer. Oye brutal, oye super. How for your dapa. Then once again to all staff of Manhattan Hotel, Pretoria. I say good morning to you. Monty Chino, Monty. Table that was. Okay, very good morning. That's what you bring on also shape. Asem the Cabre and I do so many akwasi. Is a for a second comma Franco Trading Enterprise. I'm catch of the phone papa. Ni fie and honum. Open phone ye betche dia mount. Phone ye kama. A demu soko. Ye Papa Francophone ebi. This say Samsung, say iPhone, say Nokia. Phone type ben and patcha wope. So to phone as ope. Papa. A Franco Trading Enterprise. I saw now called Sabekabi Atom. What is smart TV so about ranging from 32 to 55 inches. Also your Franco air conditioning from 1.5 to 2.5 horsepower. They boy our from. Ne boy our from pa. Me say me free anima kwa konche. 2.0 no bako na ya kra maybe the team sa na ne o me say stars na on do so ntinka ne entwe bebre obi oyisu Franco air condition bia be ka kire obedi wa da sa kire say kan kakra because of stars no do so papa munu soko. In fact Franco air condition kwa de so be a ton be the am say home user mensuro ensuro kra. I'm telling you ensuro. And this is Crawford the year, or be used now, use not quite as a BBO way, and just necessary Franco the anity. There is CCTV camera and swabber. A monitor video anytime and anywhere. Who had it to look like you clear? I'm worried. Ghana may be able to be our Franco Trading Enterprise at now. And I know Adom Asem. O call internet resource or to a dear our Franco, only 40% discount. At here they were enco internet national fa Franco number be a number saying any 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and a 0555 939 311 0555 939 311 Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa efie and one of them best brain publication that offer and ngoma makuma kunsiam and ebadwa so say nyina ye kenkan bi ye kama papa ngoma etimi bua masem wonim ye nusuon nu etimi ekwan mu ngoma ne sia no ba ko aye creativity and imagination, student leadership, your citizenship me sin ye Ghana ni bie here bi by force aye critical thinking and problem solving. One of our challenge as a nation and here critical thinkers and challenge solver problem solvers. Onguma ho koto bi na kenkan. Then digital literacy, collaboration, communication. Enguma we nyina naka aje to bookshop bia bekobia no. Onsabe ka bi out of phrase 0507 200 and 0504 200 Best brain publication was a tomorrow education today. And I'm sure what catch us and show Asante Mampon Sumampa in Sunachno. Na onso ahwe se ni nso nani etne esimi etie da bi yakas na nwan fonso e wo chefa wo the fight against Galamsey ya ye nyina ni abra ye komu up and down so na ka say that the video no beto twa video no na we se ni Asante Mampon Sumampa su no eni esimi etie wa umpe na apede
wo baby na waterfall
umpe we na de na ape we ompe opede sansui ompe na apede mamba kono we ko say eltne mamba we as waterfall mamba kono ha we ja nkrofu yan koma say no koma hono de say ba ya owo osino ne nkrofu nini koma hono so we say so ama fogu pomo se ye bobo mu di na mpanifo timi sakio mu nyina from our river bodies cause Mr. Bia Mr. so sino de ne de menim de nti a MC to na so ama bayana baba ye huge bisase ye poana empoa so yes na amna kwakwa is say muso wa compromise mo we uja ni ne baya e ya mo osino e ye Galamsey a Asante Mampon so nko o ma hono no kra da no mde wo ye so by see there be ameka nya twem asem so there be ameka se wo ye so ya fan se ye mbebre so ye ma ye busuafo ye Galamsey bi when was the last time no mo share kra to omofo especially mo ye wo ensuo so no especially mo ye wo ensuo so no ena no na meka no baby a ye tia sa Galamsey ekoso no the adwin po na wo ne ye se ema ye dwuma o de nwuma eba o ton ade a ye to sika wo ho so ya adwin hyeda enko eye ohawa ede ebre ne so ya adwin hyeda enko so ko ya de ya adwin ekoso ye pa maybe because of these challenges no e ke tu ase da but remember we so about no mo ye demonstration on Galamsey calling for the release of more yachomo edomo akọ remand yes more ya there to be honest no am say we 1 or 2 confrontation about many platform to virtually your demonstration was peaceful the best was the best we pray said day 2 enko create another challenge that democracy have for nibi so we pray say they too no create another challenge that the democracy have for no echo create that you are calling for their release no the only part I don't agree with you to be honest it's for the release that one I don't agree here to be for pressure to system so say release ya see court ashe say on remand then basically will be not to remand be so say you are calling for the release. The country is not run on emotions. And you me feel say me dream say my dream say me kai say they run Ghana. Ye de mra. Omo a lawyer for and I've seen their lawyers no even suing IGP and Attorney General for infringing on the human rights of a client. Omo mugumuni be. So to see about until na release. Then you see about to release you be other remanded. And no there to be honest, I don't agree with you. That's my personal opinion. I don't agree with you. But when you do okra, a man mamra ewo, a branim for a to charge you money no kwebet me afaswa, ye be release you. Simple. So the branim for be idea a send effort, and I know say one of the process need be a yanamoto mo etu no. Ye nya say this say ye nyina agi tum say o say my systems na agi adwuma dia ye nya sab yo koto ko dey unnecessary pressure to system le so no There be a mechanic now no Barack Hussein Obama ever Ghana. They ever come catch way back 2009. Say Ghana don't need any other thing than the systems in Mayajuma. Let the systems work. Give the system peace of mind to work. And now the mechanic say, "Mrani for the fee say." Remand 2 weeks near my clients no econo or money you a kutia Ghana mamra. They know what to do. I'm come as a Libya fro. They are higher court. Here I'm for the back to seek for sale. Remand 2 weeks at the moment and send for tower the Kai Charles and the abomono. So yes, I'll review a decision a court in the buy. No. If the higher court if you say I'm panning ready for an econo a plasma or betiatum. This will not be the first time Obiako appeal our winning. So let's allow the systems to work. It works to our favor. But before church, they were not arrested because no more demonstration. No. That was not the reason for the arrest. The arrest was said. Out of the over 300 Kofu Tissimo and Tesso Dadanum, 54 penny who says, "We in your mom some Etia Ghana Mamra and the Mrana Chumasuna Mrano Moody." We know what to do if it's a Mamran Achia. So continue to drum home for Galamsey fight. No, a good cause. Munkoso. But calling for the release dear. If that's a GJ president, what kind of you can't tell the president of the land. Say release those who have been remanded with immediate effect. Such impunity. For crying out loud, he is the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. If you like it or not, President Akufo-Addo is Ghana's president. Respect him. For boni die yesefata emano. The seat is occupied. That's the same seat. Opeso penny ekotena. So you can see a Thursday at Johanny associated from for somebody to demean our president. How dare you so go to my pen market and say release those who are arrested with immediate effect? Huh? How dare you? Be a person shall call in his favor, but be a person shall call to the other person's favor. Can you stand before the president and say with immediate effect? The president don't do more. I go for the council, I'm call remand. Huh? I'm going to call remand. I go for the mass how remand. And you be the same person to criticize the president if he's to do same. And that the president is interfering in the work of the judiciary. And I'm penny at the judiciary, and I'm saying Gomachi. When he allows the system to also work, it's a boy. What kind of people are we? What kind of people are we? Me show mo ya chi omo no enye police station no da so wo ye do ma court temuafo tena proti etie nkrobo no wie no wo se ampa me ni kodobofo no ya adwen ye fo mo kwatwire kukum bes na otwe mienu na ye nto anhwem na ye ye ne so eno chi ye mra ne beto ase ne so se mranimfo na ejina twaje amafo ya chi omo ne fi se omo ne court no enya adwena wo ye mranimfo nye na omo start omo adwuma. They know what to do. And you know me and the better than you for the more some yet. Eso de want to abrochire na akwa abrochire systems here adwuma baba Ghana akwa systems here adwuma pe because etias mesinti no systems mwa kunim crofo da remand enne am no kasa boss say 7:59 in the next 45 minutes you be say akwa remand enne de yey Emran was a bebo Ghana ni bia ho ban. Sa na Emran so was a betwi Ghana ni bia obefo man na mamra bia. Aso. That's the purpose of Emran. It protect it. Na sa show from baby. That's a fall out of the law. Emran e be straighten. Be pia wash line him so there be baby and no better ato timra no be fa kwa be so na e pia wash line him we can't continue to do this all because if we say we are doing a bidding of somebody. No, Ghana is beyond anybody. Ghana is beyond Obibia. My systems in Yajuma. Why? Yenjai. Na nyi ma dwenum na nku na wo a remand. Se sana mo Canada. Me si na no obi okobi ya bro. Enye se go ye kromfo. E kom na de no, e na obu abro on the remand. Should we call for that person's release? Huh? Sani paso ko bu obi abro wi ya ye de ne court e fa ne ko remand ne ye sa fa ne ba beto na se ne so o so ye nya na Someone who did most we yes and somebody release no anyone who can ya e be sebo bi bia wasam no enko ba bia because wasam ni grounds embrani for make the primus inter pares of your case Asem ni tip papa and say Galamsey ha omen e bra so say abampanifo Ghana ni bia be na fam di aboase be ya ye be si ano kwan e ye super Bako na akotwi and na release them says ye nchi hwan release them mu amoye dem so ni an sabachi wana and na ya mko ya man block road obi abechem and na mko ya sorry to say mo cause nuisance bia obi abechem. That is why we pray say for that 3 days no and then watch na the account no e beto akoso esese na enu ye no e be peaceful. State your position. Chebe bia na aban na nya adwen. Ka che mampani ha de ye no nya adwen. You are our leader. You are supposed to lead this fight and ensure say you do some kunim. After 7 years you need some kunim president Kufado. You need to be blamed. State your position. Then a president should release those who have been arrested with immediate effect. Na nyatwum ti yeto ne yeboyesem. Nyatwum nti. Nyatwum. Enti ne yeto ne yeboyesem. Ne yeboyesem. Nyatwum. Nyatwum fo ne ya show mem say twa. Enya predo do bikasa aso na auto na abonsem. Anana monte ase. One more than I want to believe say Asem mo adwumfo kana monte ase because na monte ase a e ka mo nsem. How do you expect the president, the chief justice, the IGP to go to the the kwaka say obi a court ache say onko remand makwa yi no. Huh? Or can ya can send ya 2 foot to go for the no more demonstration. What I say? Me say throw the idea who ba who throw twa no and throw be twa be chiw is men twa e be gu ani mu ase. Obi enu up to now ya chiri because no demonstration obi enu ho. Nobody. And he actually said because no demonstration. I can quote in the crown for us, so no. So that General say, my lord, Abrante we ya or General Wanimi, no demonstration yet. I buy say, I buy Kunta Galamsey, and consider this idea of final control. It will happen. And you said yes, yes. And you know, correct. People na ye nyamo ho sem etia o meya mamra. People ya dia ensem fata etia Ghana mamra. Enu tina ye na kwakwa gina sene bia ne ye bo ne kwadu ne bo ne nyina no. Se no bi ko tomu na, se no bi ko bo kro no, se no bi ko ni ewu, ye na kwa gina sene bia ye bo ne kwadu sa pepepe ene ye bo bo su kwadu. Ye wi na ho so wa na ko ba bi. Obi anu ni Asem. He we are saying no obi anso a obi akọ ne baabi. Because I don't want to think say Godfrey damage what we and I said say Ghana for kwakọ the prison. No. Ba wa you say we free ni party bia mu dia. Emna betwa bam. Mo me nya atwom. The fight against Galamsey, wow, share Asem the Kebia back to back. Back to back, my year call against Galamsey. But baby, I bet you are man on Cosonchia. Maybe the acquisition. I mean, sure. So talk also Tiger and Chi. See him correct him from so ye way a memo. Near my Yakrabashe. Any pensem mu eto aso. Debi aka say Asemi edika background.